My name is Brett Oakley. I'm CEO of Land of Illusion. I've been running the park now for 26 years. Started it from ground floor about a mile and a half from here and moving at this location 2004. So we've created something a little bit different than a lot of people. So we try to create 6 unique haunts. Every year we try to change one haunt now, bring in a little bit of a different theme now, just really trying to give the followers something different. So we go through each event. So Middletown Haunted Trail is approximately 9/10 of a mile long. So it's going to take you 28 to 35 minutes to get through it. Middletown Haunted Trail, which is a lot of what is known here, we completely redid one of our zones, built some really cool, unique buildings for him, which is a new one this year. A little bit of a maze, a little bit of a different animal than normal. Dr. Psycho's, which has been one of our originals here. A house was built in 1837. Really a unique standing monument of this property that we've tried to preserve. You never know when you come out whether the doctor's going to get you or not. The Temple Terror, more of an Egyptian type role. It's a little bit different spin. I think we're a competitor this year for #1 in the U.S. You know, we've got other entertainment internally. We offer our food offerings. We offer a full bar. Overall, I think it's a unique package that we've taken and found success in. We run rain or shine out here, and that's a beautiful piece. So we've now got Middletown Haunted Trail with enough stuff we're running.
What should guests know before they come and see Land of Illusion?
#1, put your Depends on. If you don't like scary stuff, stay at home. But if you're in a Halloween, you want a great time, you need to come to Land of Illusion. We're going to have some fun with you.
Tell us about what Land of Illusion does the rest of the year.
You know, we've got a water park that we built 4 years ago. It's Aqua Adventures. Really a unique water park. We've taken it to the next level. So it was a very successful summer there. And then coming Christmas, this is our 5th year in Christmas. We've added some cool animation from Germany. And from my understanding, we're #1 now for Christmas in the state of Ohio. So we're bringing in different things throughout the year to try to help balance, which is helping us put a better Halloween event on. But we're trying to spread out the season so we can keep people full-time, work on set designs, and do things a little bit different.